So we got the engine back in its home. I'm going ahead and getting everything wired up and tightening up every single bolt. All right, first startup. See how she goes if you want. Crank her up. And just like that, we got the 40 running again. So after starting the car for the first time, there was no leaks for a little while. It was pretty good for about 30 minutes, and then I had that tiny hose down there for the power steering start leaking after I started filling it up. So I went ahead and put double clamps on that, and it shouldn't be leaking anymore. I'm gonna go ahead and try to start it up and make sure it doesn't leak. It does not seem to be leaking anymore. So we're good to go on that. Nothing is leaking now. Just have to go over the engine and, you know, fill up the power steering more if I need to after I bleed it a little bit more. Other than that, we're pretty much all good. Test run went great. We have no issues so far that I know of. No weird noises or anything like that. Everything's put back together. Everything's working as it should. So we're gonna go ahead and end the video here. I appreciate all of you who watched till the end. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.
Mm.